Good day, everybody. We want to talk about something actually this night, and it's called modular sensory perception (MSP) in terms of objects, combination of objects, and making them beautiful, decorating your doors, your houses, creating different kinds of walls, creating different, for example, metal, wood, plastic, all added together or in different frames added together. The beauty of this, the essence of this, might have stone at the front, wood at the back, and metal at the in between, and it's all fused together. It's beautiful, well decorated. Here we have what is called the object name and the modular sensory perception, the engine. This is the engine, and we can click one of these, add the modular code of what we want to add to it, and put this a special domain cloud, and all this is linked to the AI. And then we have the MSP1, the add-on. For example, if you want to add a wood to the first object, maybe a stone, you have to put the wood, the modular code of the wood in, and click further. It will give you MSP2. You can add iron or metal or steel. You click OK here. You can click it twice here, and you click here again. It gives you another one, MSP3, and then you can add concrete slab at the front. And all these are shaped by AI, I18 the shape. And all this actually works with some functions, and the functions actually you can drag and drop things actually in here, like photos of objects that you want to combine, add them all in serial here, and then you can drag and drop and use instant image streaming to make them possible. We have object architecture AI. You can type in here and request and answer what should be added at the front, at the middle, at the back, how it can be meshy clouded together. That's beautiful. We have create AI here. Create AI, you have first layer, second layer, third layer. You can improve it. You can add some other layers to it after creating, and then you create again. And you have the compounds, compound 1 and compound 2, showing when you click here, many compounds will appear. When you click here, many compounds will appear. You can alter the compounds and click I create, and you have new substances. And here we have the monitor. We have homes as well, homes, office, factory, hospitals, hotels, and all this. We have I18D, we have I mixer meshy, so you can mix all the substances together, or what you want. You can mix them together. If you don't want to put them in frames or in partitions, frames like that, you can mix all together. We have eye decorator. The eye decorator will help to decorate. For example, you might put patches of wood here, patches of stone here, patches of metal here, patches of concrete here, all fused together with an iron, and that will be beautiful. We have high quality AI. With high quality AI, it's beautiful. You can see the quality really coming, really beautiful. And we know here's the modular code of the person or the object. So for example, a person can be an object, and an object can be a person. For example, if it's a human being, we kept an object here. If it's a human being, you can tend to improve the body content of the human. That's the facial content of the human, like the faces. You can when you put face here and you put some other things out here, you might say, let the nose, in this place. If it's a human being, you say, let the nose be beautiful. Let the mouth be like this person's mouth. Let the eyes look like this, and let the skin be beautiful, be white. And let the hair be coily, beautiful coily. Take the resemblance of this face and let it look like my face. Let it look like his or her faces. And then you create, then you have a beautiful face in that person's face. So we have object name here. If it's an object, a non-living object. If it's a living object, you can still put the modular code here. And if it's also an object, you can also keep the modular code here. You just type object, put modular code, hashtag, If it's person, you put the person name, person, modular code, hashtag. Beautiful. And then we have what is actually the air, definitely. I transfer into object realms. So you can I transfer. Each of the objects have a circle life, a life circle, and that life circle is divided into four fragments or four quartet fragments, and each quartet fragment can take a cube, and that cube is I18D. That is 18 times 4. That's 36. That's 6 times 2. That's 72. That's 70 times 1000 times a quantum. That's 1000. That's 72,000 realms to transfer. You can get into an object 72,000 realms. For example, a wood like this, a beautiful wood or metal or anything you made, you can get into the realms and stay in the realm. For example, if someone wants to destroy you or wants to do something, you can't find a halo on your body, you can get into this and do an I transfer into the object realm, and the person will be able to see you. One possible thing about this, definitely, that it helps us to create some other things beautiful. You can build a house in your house. You can make your house a traveling world. You can build hotels in your house. Just in the wall of your house can be like the whole Nigeria, like the whole America, like the whole Germany, and you can build your country in. But all these are high restrictive, so that you don't build it. Before you build something in your wall or in that realm, you need special license from the police, from the government, and from the United Nations before you can build. And once they declare that you can build in your wall, you can build in your wall. You can build a hotel in your wall. People will come into your room, and when they come into your room, you can transfer them into this room, and they can stay in your hotel. This is actually very good for cities that are congested, like in China, where you have no reasonable lands anymore. Then you can have cities building walls. Beautiful. I know you enjoy this. This is actually called Object Architecture AI. Bye-bye. Good night. Rest well. This is your professor, coming from your professor, Professor Dr. ALIYO MOMOT. Bye-bye.